DUI has developed a range of NMF products, freeform optics measurement machines based on the famous NanoMephos technology of TNO. These machines are capable of nanometer accuracy, non-contact measurement of optics up to 1,000 millimeters, ranging from flat to aspherical to freeform, from convex to concave, from circular to non-circular apertures, all without setup changes. Our proprietary optical probe combines 5 millimeter range with 20 degrees acceptance angle. This enables high point density, mid-spatial characterization in minutes, even on wild freeforms and on polished or ground surfaces. Slope-independent, traceable nanometer accuracy is ensured with a patented closed-loop metrology system with a silicon carbide reference frame and a stabilized helium-neon laser with wavelength compensation. Other features include an easy product mounting and an alignment interface, intuitive workflow-based software, powerful fitting and analysis algorithms, and data export for iterative machining. The NMF freeform optics measurement machines, interferometer accuracy with coordinate measuring machine versatility.